Hey everyone, this is Joe's Journey. I just want to make a quick video, honestly, about this since we did already hear about this. Fast and Furious will be closing on Mario Day. That is March 10th, everyone, coming up very soon. Super surprised. I knew it was going to close, but never in a billion years would I have thought it would be closing this early. Now, the last time I did try to ride it, which was like a week ago, the attraction was not working and we did have to skip it. So there may even be a component of this where there's a mechanical failure, and because of this as well, they don't want to fix it because they know they're going to close anyway. But really quick, let me give you my theories on what's going to be replacing Fast and the Furious, since it has, it's going away. I think the number one is Wicked. Wicked, I think, will replace this. I'd be very surprised if we don't get a Wicked type attraction. I know some people are like, wait, I want a Wicked Land, or I want a bigger thing. It will come, guys, but we have to give them time, and they don't have time right now. They want to throw something together quickly. I would assume that Wicked will be joining us soon. Other theories could be Back to the Future, E.T., or even just something with all the characters combined in some big finale. But until next time, everyone, safe journeys. What do you think is going to replace Fast and the Furious?